My name is Ahmed Hijazi, and these are my team members. This is Jennifer, and this is Sunil. This is Javier. Today's topic is about the abuse of social media in our society. Now, this is a major problem in the society, and it leads to a lot of problems. Okay. So we chose this topic for a lot of reasons, numerous number of reasons. But the most important reason is because it leads to lack of communication among people, and particularly teenagers. Okay. So we have a lot of goals from this project, but our three main important goals is to improve relations between people and enhance the bonds between them. Second of all, to reduce the positives and negatives of the usage of social media. And third of all, to reduce the usage of social media in general. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about the scope of our project. First of all, we're going to organize activities that indirectly exclude the usage of social media. Okay, and second of all, we're going to raise awareness campaigns, okay, for the reduction of usage of social media.
Let's proceed to the stakeholders that we're going to need to manage this project. We did a mind map where we organized our stakeholders. For example, sponsors, as in printing house, press house for flyers and banners, and to take care of all of the material that we're going to need to perform our presentation. Second of all is the functional department that is a school, where we're going to do our event, in which we are going to make the awareness for the lack of communication in our generation. The third one is the team members, which are the members that are going to help us execute this project. Like, first of all, we're going to have to do a research, of course, with the specialists and who are special in social relation to know how we can organize this project to يعني تنسيب العالم مظبوط in this project. And now we analyze these stakeholders. First of all, the ones who need minimum effort are, of course, the transportation and the school. They just need to be informed. Second, the ones who have to be always satisfied are the parents, of course. لازم دايما نوعي الأهل لأنه هن عادة أكثر شيء بيهتموا بالولاد. And the sponsors also, so the project will go as planned. And we have to manage closely the teenagers, the students who are going to come to our event, and to keep them to have them keep them to keep it fun, and also educational, as in being aware from this problem in our generations, and also the volunteers who are going to help us to keep the security in the event, to keep the event organized, and yeah, that's up to. Okay, thank you. Jennifer.
Our WBC قسمناها ل 3 steps. First step is creation of Facebook page. أكيد we need computers, network cross for advertise the upcoming events, and tell them about us, and share all the details. تنقل لهم مثلا ال events, location, time, date, everything. Second step, the presentation to the school. وأكيد transportation to the school after being accepted, and we need all the material to display it. Activity number 3 is event. Sorry, the third step, event. The location حطيناها outdoor. We need food for the games, not technology required. Phones specialist. Communication at its best. Activity number 1, get to know each other.
Less than 30 seconds. No problem.
Okay, نتعرف على بعض. Activity number 2, teams to do lunch, team building, group of 5. And activity number 3, games that does not require winning. Hence, everything is about sharing and getting to know each other. And my friend Celine, she will talk about the
One of the main fountainheads of project management is the schedule, which is why the first week we're going to organize the Facebook page and create it. Second of all, we're going to print out the flyers and distribute them to the school that we're going to and followed by the start of the preparation of the presentation that is due in week 2. Week 2 is going to include the presentation that will be presented in the school to aware the school field about the whole social media dilemma. After all, in week 3, there will be the school the follow-up and the selection of the participants. And to finalize week 5, the presents and the trainers and everything. And week 6, we're going to have the camp that Jennifer talked about. And for the RACI matrix, Ahmad is going to take care of the Facebook page with a bunch of his friends to help him with. And Jennifer is going to take care of the flyers and print them out. And Jean-Pierre is going to be in touch with the sponsors and...
Five more seconds. Let me wrap up. Last word.
Okay, we just want to say that if children do not learn how to develop their lasting relationships between them, therefore their generation and their future will be unable to communicate effectively. Thank you.